Karwa Chauth is the most celebrated Indian festivals across the country as the women across India fast for the well-being and good health for their life partners. Hello everyone, welcome to newsx.com. I'm Asha Bhalla, and as the country celebrates Karwa Chauth, let's take a small look at what our colleagues and the girls and the married men have to say about this auspicious occasion and how do they plan to spend their day. So my colleague Gauri, so are you married, Gauri?
No, not yet.
Not yet. Have you kept Karwa Chauth?
No, of course I'll do once I'll get married.
Okay, so do you have a plan?
Yeah,
that you
yeah,
will?
of course.
What's
Because
the
it's
excitement?
I'm very much excited once I'll get married. Of course, I'll keep a Karwa Chauth Vrat because it's for the long life and for the health betterment of the husband. So yeah, I would keep that.
And you will dress up all in a nice
In a
lehenga,
nice lehenga, sari, best. How could I dressed up?
So you really believe in this, and you
Yeah, I
want
really
a
believe
long
because
life?
it's a traditional, the rituals are related to this festival. So I'm very much excited. Let's see when the day comes.
Right. So Gauri here is not married, but she's already very excited to, keep a fast, celebrate Karwa Chauth with full enthusiasm on the big day. Now joining me is Bijay Kumar Das, who is married, of course. So Bijay sir, have you kept Karwa Chauth for your wife?
No, no,
Why so?
because I love food and I can't fast.
Okay. So has your wife kept Karwa Chauth for you?
No,
Okay. So you both don't believe in the ritual.
we believe in rituals, but as we belong to in East India, the eastern part of the country, we don't celebrate basically the Karwa Chauth.
करवा चौथ का दिन है और आज हमारे साथ है पूजा, जो कि दिख रहा है कि इतनी सुंदर लग रही हैं आज इस बड़े त्यौहार के दिन। तो आज पूजा हमें कुछ बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ें बताएंगी करवा चौथ के बारे में। तो पहले तो पूजा, कितने साल से आप करवा चौथ रख रही हैं?
ये मेरा 17th करवा चौथ है। 17 साल से मैं ये व्रत रख रही हूँ अपने हस्बैंड के लिए।
वाह। और आप की पूरे दिन की रूटीन प्लान क्या होती है आपकी, सरगी से लेके आपकी जो गौरा माता की पूजा है?
सुबह हम लोग उठते हैं, जैसे नॉर्मल रूटीन होता है। हम करवा चौथ के दिन हम लोग 5 बजे उठते हैं। करवा चौथ में कुछ शगुन की चीज़ें होती हैं जो ज़रूरी होता है खाना, जैसे कि हम कुछ मेवे खाते हैं, मिठाई खाते हैं, फिरनी खाते हैं। तो ये सब चीज़ें शगुन की होती हैं, मानी जाती हैं। तो हम ये सब चीज़ें सुबह सुबह अर्ली मॉर्निंग खाते हैं एंड उसके बाद पानी पीते हैं। फिर सारा दिन पानी नहीं पिया जाता है। पूजा करने के बाद गौरजा माता की पूजा करते हैं शाम को। सब लेडीज़ आपस में मिलके गौरजा माता की पूजा करती हैं एंड फिर शाम को चंद्रमा को अर्घ देने के बाद फिर हम पानी पीते हैं और खाना खाते हैं।
अच्छा। सो पूजा आपके पति भी रखते हैं, आपके हस्बैंड भी रखते हैं आपके लिए फास्ट?
जी हाँ, आई एम रियली फॉर्चुनेट। वो मेरे साथ व्रत रख रहे हैं। इट्स बीन 17 ईयर्स वो मेरे साथ व्रत रख रहे हैं। वो भी मेरी तरह सुबह मेरे साथ उठते हैं, सरगी लेते हैं। सरगी में हम दोनों साथ में खाते हैं एंड उसके बाद फिर हम चंद्रमा को देखने के बाद वो मुझे पानी पिलाते हैं और खुद भी पानी पीते हैं और फिर हम खाना खाते हैं। दिस इज़ हाउ वी सेलिब्रेट करवा चौथ।
So now we'll speak to Chitrakshi and ask her views about the big day of Karwa Chauth. So Chitrakshi, are you married?
No, I'm not married. But
Have you kept Karwa Chauth?
yeah, I have kept Karwa Chauth because it is considered auspicious in our families, and it is said that if we just put on this, celebrate this big festival, we ought to get good husbands in the future. So my mom just recommended me, and I just tried it for the first time.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
how is the day going? Are you being able to work? Like we can see you being able to work.
It is
without eating and
absolutely,
drinking?
it is absolutely normal. It is. I think it is just about thinking. If we just think that we are normal, we can actually do anything. It is just about our thinking. Yeah.
And do you plan to get dressed in the evening and wear a nice Indian attire, just like your mom will get? All get
Yeah,
dressed up?
yeah, I am planning to. I've just talked to my mom that what am I wearing in the evening, and I will be going. I will not be just revolving that karwas in the mandir because I'm not married, but I will be listening to the auspicious katha which is associated with this festival. Yeah,
And what attire do you plan to wear?
I'm planning for a sari in the evening.
And the accessories, how will you accessorize the sari?
I've actually kept it in an Indo-Western look, wherein. Yeah, I've kept it in a very natural look, not very auntie types, not very girlish types. That's why.
So Srishi, are you married?
No, of course.
No, but do you plan to? Have you kept Karwa Chauth?
No.
And do you plan to keep Karwa Chauth once you're married?
Yeah, of course. Actually, there are some kind of mythological things happening around all of us, and there is a saying that this Shukl Paksh or this Kartik Mas is very much heavy on the male candidates. So, if a female candidate will do fasting for them, it is good for their livelihood. So, I think if I'll get a chance to save somebody's life, why not?
Wow. So what, when you get married and you keep
Yeah.
Karwa Chauth, what do you plan to wear? Like what attire would you wear?
Well, somehow it looks very fascinating. Like I have a joint family, and when I saw my bhabis, my taiji, my grandmother, and my mother, they all wear like in a proper traditional attires like lehenga, chunni, and all that. So I feel very good after watching them, and I'm the only girl child in the house who just wear jeans and top on that day. So I'll feel very much blessed if I'll get a chance to wear the dresses like them. So I'll definitely wear the lehenga, chunni, and all that.
So have you kept Karwa Chauth?
Yeah.
You have. So
Yeah.
how's it going? How's the day going?
The day is going as well it can obviously, but I would like to say that it's not for the husband or a boyfriend or something. It's basic for my mother. She keeps it for, like, obviously my dad, and I don't want her to be alone in this whole festivity. So my whole thing is that I need to support her. So that's the reason I do Karwa Chauth, and I've been doing it since 3-4 years since college. So
Wow,
I've been
that's-
supporting her.
That's a great choice and thought to keep Karwa Chauth for your mom, since dad is not keeping it. So my friend Anandita here, who's a fashion blogger, will tell our viewers that what attire should married or unmarried women should wear on Karwa Chauth, and how should they get ready. So please tell us viewers what you think.
Yeah, hi. So if you believe in the concept of Karwa Chauth, then I think you should go for something which is trendy, something which reflects the ethical values of our country, but yet be fashionable. I would advise that rather than going for heavy materials, one should go for lighter counterparts and keep it trendy with lighter weight jewelry, and not deck up too much, but yet be very comfortable on your own skin. So ethnic black silver is a very good choice. Chanderi saris are a very good choice, and yeah, I would say linen and cotton mix are a very good choice. Going by the current weather, you'd want to avoid heavier fabrics such as silk and all of that shenanigans. And I don't believe in the concept of Karwa Chauth.
It's been how many years that you've been?
I've been married for 35 years.
Oh my God, that's a long time.
I'm a Maharashtrian, so we don't have this vrat. But for last about say 15 years, I've been keeping this. Although I've married for 35 years, because for me it's more than a ritual. It's like giving love and light to your partner. So if you're, I don't, will not participate in that revelry and all. I'm working, and I haven't had even water. So maybe when I go in the evening, I know the time when the chand will appear. I may not be able to see chand also because of pollution. So वो time के बाद में मैं खाना खाऊंगी. My husband is traveling, so it's not possible for do all those kind of things.
So you think that it's actually the love and light. It's a festival of love and light. So the feeling is important.
Yeah, absolutely. More than ritual, it's the feeling. But I guess the rituals were created because in earlier days, women wanted some recreation, entertainment, and this was their way, Yeah.
So does your husband keep it for you?
No, he doesn't. Yeah.
No, he doesn't, because he's traveling.
Yes. Yeah.
And how difficult is it without water and without food to come and work? Or you've become habitual?
I'm becoming habitual because we also keep Mahashivratri. My husband keeps that fast also, Mahashivratri fast, which is almost 24 hours without water. So, well, that is once in a year. So I guess your system gets used to it. Everything is in mind. If you decided no, मुझे भूख लगी है, it's kind of that kind of.
And would you suggest somehow the newlywed brides should dress up on their first Karwa Chauth?
Well, it's up to them. People are free to do what they want to do. But I've explained to you why I am doing it. Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching.
इन खबर चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें।